Record on this computer. Now, they said prospectors are drilling for oil. The cost of drilling at a depth of 50 meter is 500. So, Pratham 50 meter, 500. To drill further 50 meter, it costs 640. That means it's increasing 140, 140. And total cost of the drilling 100 meter is 1140. That means each depth you go, the harder and harder it becomes to dig na. So therefore proti 50 meter 50 meter barle tumar cost batte se koto, how much is the cost increasing by $140. So what's the common difference here? 140. Now each subsequent extra depth of 50 meter costs 140 more to drill than the previous 50 meter. Huh, tell me. It's okay. It's okay. It doesn't matter. I can have a conversion. Okay, pound or dollar. Yeah, fine. So I think it's supposed to be dollar, to be honest. So they gave pound by mistake. Okay, thank you. Now, show that the cost of drilling 500 meter. If you're drilling 500 meter, how much time are you drilling? 10 times? 50, 50, 50, 50. Pratham 50 meter koto. First term koto. First term is 500. So what's your A here? 500. What's the common difference? 140. Okay, what's your N? 10 times. Okay? Now you have to say J 500 meter, the cost of drilling is around 11,000. Money total cost. We're trying to find total cost over here. So how much is it on? Okay, show that the total, so that the cost of drilling to a depth. Yeah. Can we do SN? SN is equal to N by 2. 10 by N by 2, open bracket, N by this thing, 2A. So 1000, na? 2A is 1000, na? 1000 plus N minus 1 into D. Just do this in your calculator. Check, are you guys getting 11,300 or not? Yeah? Yes. All of you got this? So this part understood, na? A part? 11,300, na? Now, they said the total sum of the money available is this much. So, how much can they dig? How much, at what depth can they go? If they can dig only, they have a budget of $76,000. Okay, so what budget do they have? 76,000, na? So let's see, the total money is how much? 76,000. Again, how much depth are they going? I don't know. N by 2. Again 1,000, right? N minus 1 into how much? 140. Okay, I will give you guys the chance. Do this and find for me how much time can they dig. Find N. Remember, N is not your total depth. N is not your total depth. Okay, do this in your calculator. Let me pause the recording. So all of you were able to find N to be how much? 30. Money 30 times you're going to dig. Each time you're digging 50 meter, na? How much is it then? 1,500 meter. Did anyone see the answer? Those who did, 1,500 is the answer. Fine then. You know what? Let me find some more questions over here regarding the percentage. This is one type of question they can ask you. Let me see any percentage related questions over here or not. These are exam quoted questions. Actually, we are done with geometrical sequence and these kind of sequence. We are done with them. It just, I need to do some really hard questions with you guys. Should I do them with you all, or you guys will get stuck? That's what I'm worried about mostly. You know what? Let me do from latest papers. Better. Let me do from latest paper. P2, huh? Old book. I'll see. First, let me do something from latest paper. Okay, let's pause the video. Okay. So we got this question from October 2020 P2 paper. Please write it down. October 2020. October 2020 means actually June 2020 paper. Okay. Since the exam did not take place. Okay. So question number 5. Try to do A and B on your own. I'm not even doing it for you right now. If you cannot do it, then I'll start the recording and do it. Okay. Just try. Okay, we did this in arithmetic sequence, because this is arithmetic sequence. So we did this. Let me find a new question for you. So this question is given to you, question number 8. I can say this one, I already told you guys, informed you guys to what? By heart, how to prove it. Remember I told you it comes around 3-4 marks. Take out your textbook. From the textbook, you have to learn how to write this. I told you to by heart this and come. One is of arithmetic sequence, one is of geometric sequence. How to find the sum formula. If you guys have textbook, have a look at your textbook, or I'll open the textbook for you over here. Okay, let me pause the video. Resume recording. Look, they did this over here. So these are your geometrical sequence. Can you see? So what they did, I think they multiplied what, r on both the sides or something. R sine Sn. To be honest, I have no idea how they got this RSN over here. Okay, whatever. We are going to do one minus the other, and you have to bahar the steps. I would say just bahar the steps. I don't understand how this is done, to be honest. Okay, so just let me know. I'll pause. I'm pausing the recording. They actually did multiply r on both the sides. At first, they wrote a. Listen, they wrote a plus ar is square, and so at the end of the day, ar raised to n minus 1. Okay. Then they multiplied r on both the side. Can you see? Then they minus this with the other one, Sn with the Rsn. Sn with the Rsn, you ended up getting this. Okay. Then Sn is common, 1 minus r, and cross multiply. This one is very easy to by heart, to be honest. Okay. Any doubts you have? Ask me from this.
1 minus 2.
What 1 minus 2? Basically, equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Okay, done? Everyone done? Okay, let's go to the next question. Huh? Okay. How much? So you guys were able to do this? Okay. So you saw how easy the steps were. Now, second term for a geometrical sequence is minus 320. And the fifth term is also given to you. Okay. Find the value of common ratio. Easy. 2 marks. Try doing this. Otherwise, I'll be helping you. Okay. Try. Basically, you have to make an equation for second term, which is going to be AR. AR is equal to minus 320. And fifth term, money AR raised to 4. Understood, na? AR raised to 4 is equal to 512 divided by 25. Find the value of A. Find the value of R. Try doing it. Okay, so let me do the sum for you all. They said second term, right? So A R is equal to minus 220. Now then AR raised to 4 is equal to 512 by 25. Okay, so A is minus 320 divided by R, and A is 512 by 25 R raised to 4. Understood? What, both are A na? Because I want R over here. So common ratio. Common ratio kata hobe? Each other. So minus 320 divided by R is equal to 512 divided by 25 R raised to 4. After this, so you guys can do on your own, right? Okay. Everyone understood online? Mehak and Sujata, Galib, Rafiq, Rafsan.
Yes, understood. Yeah, bro.
Okay, then I'm pausing the video. Now you guys find R value for me. Okay, so everyone getting R to be minus 0.4. Okay, now what they are asking. Hence, find the sum of first 13 terms, giving your answer to 2 decimal place. Whenever they say to give the answer in 2 decimal place, try to give the answer in between more than 2 decimal and finally give it to 2 decimal place. In between, take 3 or 4 decimal place so that you get an accurate answer. Everyone got it? Yeah. Okay. Kada bachcha tumra? Kada bachcha? So, yeah, you guys will try to do this on your own now. 13 terms and you know R is less than 1, right? So set your formula accordingly. I'm pausing the video. So you guys got answer 571.43. Let me show whether that is the correct answer or not. So B part, what do you have in B part? You have 13 terms. Okay. Which formula of the sum you guys are using? A, open bracket, what is it? 1 minus R raised to n divided by 1 minus R. Fine then. What is Sn? Okay. They did not give me. What was the first value? A is possible. A is possible. R এর জায়গায় শুধু minus 0.4 টা কি substitute করো, A is possible. What is the A you guys are getting? 800. 800 open bracket 1 minus R raised to n, that is how much? Minus 0.4 raised to 13, right? Because there's a 13 terms, na? Yeah, divided by 1 minus 13. Oh, R is to n, n is 13. Oh, sorry. Minus of minus 0.4. Okay. What is the answer everybody is getting? SN? 571.43. Everyone here understood?
Yes.
Everyone here understood? Okay. Online, you guys all got 571.43?
Yes.
Fine. I'm pausing the recording so that I can find another question for you all. So, Leko, this is June 2019 C2. Okay. So, June 2019 C2. Remember, if you want geometric sequence, you need to take C2 papers. You want arithmetic sequence, you need to take C1 paper, because this was old papers. So it was different in old times. Now, question number 4. Start doing this on your own. Then I will help you. Let me pause the video. Resume recording. Fine. Resume recording. A business plan predict this like yesterday only. 250,000 for year 2019. The business plans also predict that yearly profit will increase 10% each year, forming a geometric sequence. So what is your R over here? Yesterday I taught you how to find R. R was, what was it? 1 plus R by 100. What is it? 1 plus, what is your R? 10%. Divided by 100. How much is it? 1.1, na? So R is 1.1. Fine. Find the year in which the business plan predicts that the yearly profit will exceed 1 million. No, is this 1 million? No?
Yeah.
1 million pounds. You have to find the year. Okay. So, what is the initial value? 250,000. So, can we do AR raised to, that is 250,000, AR raised to R mane ko to 1.1, na?
Yes.
1.1 AR raised to n minus 1 is equal to, what is your n? That's what we are supposed to find. And what year is it? So how much is it? Koto? 1 million. Okay. Because they said it should exceed, not equal to, exceed, na? So let me, instead of writing equal to sign here, what will we write? Greater than. Okay? So can you do 1.1 raised to n minus 1 greater than 1 million divided by 250,000? Fine. Okay, predicts the yearly profit. Yearly profit of the year. Okay, fine. Everything is fine. Makes sense. Can we multiply log on both the side?
Yes.
Those who doesn't know log should include ignore this for the time being. Okay, and those who knows log should follow over here. Okay, fine then. Do this in your calculator and see whether you're getting the correct answer or not. Okay. So all of you guys were able to get the answer. What is the answer you guys got for the n? 16. Now some of you guys, Mehak and Rafsan, most probably you guys will not be able to know what this is I'm talking about. Okay, so what's going to happen is that you can ignore this for the time being, this solution. Just remember there is a solution known as log. Okay, rest of them I have to send you guys video to learn log. How to learn log? You have to know the videos. You have to follow the video which I'm going to send you. Achha, whatever. Now C2, it was 16 years, na? But 2019 itself is 1 year. So baki koto baki ase 15 year baki. 2019 plus 15 koto 2034 is the year at which their profit will be 1 million. Find the total predicted profits. Total predicted profits to 2030, 2019 to 2030, inclusive. Okay, giving your answer to nearest pound. So how many years from 2019 to 2030? How much? Check. I mean 2019 and 2013 ke 30 ke minus karo koto bachcho. 13 years, na? Sorry, 12 years.
12 years to be included.
12 years because 2019 ka tumhe include karo. So 12 years. So n is going to be 12. N is going to be 12. Okay. Then a value kato 250,000. N jani, a value jani. R hoche 1.1. So which formula you guys are going to use? Your why 12 years? 2019 to 2030. Money 2019, 20, 21. Calculate kote thako to finger hai. You'll get it. Let me pause the video. You guys, which formula? By the way, a divided by r raised to n minus 1 divided by r raised to n minus 1. Can your r is greater than 1? That is the reason. So pause the video. You may think. Okay, so most of you guys were able to do this sum B part on your own by using this formula, taking RS 12 because 2019 is included and all, and so. Fine. Now let's go to the next one. Let's see if there is another question. Okay, pause the recording. Resume recording. Okay, guys, this is June 2020 key P2. This is P2. June 2020 P2 sum. Question number 1. Try doing this on your own, please. Do the sum. Do it. Let me pause the recording. Resume the recording. So A1 is 3. They said us to find A2. Okay, so A2 is going to be 4 minus 3. That is going to be what? Sorry, plus 1. A2. Now let's find what is A3 by the way. A3 is going to be 4 minus 1. That is going to be 3. What is A4? A4 is going to be again 4 minus 3. That is going to be 1. Can you see it is repeating 1 3 1 3 like that? At odd number it is 3. At even number it is 1. So 107 is an odd number. Yeah. So it is going to be a 3. Clear? Yesterday we did this kind of question. Not yesterday, my last class jaake bola in videos. Yesterday, but in last videos we did this kind of question. So I hope online your doubts are clear. Hello, online everyone. Doubts clear?
Yeah, bro.
Fine.
Yeah, bro.
Now let's talk about this one. This is exactly, this is what 4 minus an. Okay, now how do you do this one? How do you do this one? Okay, let's do one thing first. Let me pause the video. Let me think about it. You know, I think they raised some shortcut with this sum, but they give because they gave only 2 marks. So let's still try to see what kind of is it an arithmetic sequence or geometric sequence, right? This is double. If I multiply this by 2 or divide this by 2, nah, still it's not. Okay, you know what? Let's find it. An, what is A over here? 2 into what is going to be 1?
3.
So if you're at 2 into 3 minus 1, what is it? 5. So again 2 into 1 minus 1, what is it going to be? 1. Again 2 into 3 minus 1, what is going to be? 5. And 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. So now is it 5 1? That means 100 of them are 5 and 100 of them are 1. So it's going to be 500 plus 100. That is going to be 600. Multiplication kind of because 5 ta begin koto sum koto 200 times. What is it? What does it start with? 1. Okay, so 100 times into 5 plus 100 times into 1. Shirin, you understood this? Okay, so your answer is total how much sigma? 600. You will see the mark scheme. All of you do it first. Let me pause the video. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one now. আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এখানে অন্য কোনো ডাউট কোশ্চেন আছে কিনা চেক করি আমরা আচ্ছা let me pause the video. So same paper, which paper was this? June 2020 P2. Question number 7 ta karo. Same paper. Question number 7. Try to do this on your own. I'm pausing the recording. Okay. So year 1, this is her A. This is her A. Okay. Annual. This is her salary. In year 10, this much. Okay. So according to the model A, determine Kim's annual salary in year 2. Okay. So let's find a common difference here. Okay. Okay. Can we do A plus n minus 1 into D? Okay, so n minus 1 into d. What's your a? Your a is 16,200 plus n koto, we don't know. N minus 1 into d. D koto, common difference koto, we don't know, but n is going to be 10, right? N is going to be 10 because 10 year they said, na? N is going to be 10. So how much is it? 31500. Okay, now, so what is, okay, can you minus both of them now and find the d value? You guys got the d value? What is the d value you guys got after this? 1700. Then you multiply. Then after that you add in your first year salary how much? 6,200. Then you add 1,700 to it, right? So that will be your salary in the year 2. 16,200 plus 1,700. Can I see the mark scheme now? Wait, which is it? Same paper, na? P2 mark scheme. P2 mark scheme. Question number, what is it? Question number 7. Question number 7. 17,900. Fine then. Chalo. Now B part, as far as I know, B part is supposed to be, guys, B part is supposed to be for this thing, geometric sequence, because they said model B, arithmetic model, or a salary A is arithmetic model. Okay, A part. And model B is about what? Geometric sequence, because they said why? A percentage, not a steady amount, but a percentage amount. According to model B, determine Kim's annual salary in year 2. Give your answer to nearest fountain. Model B, assume, what is model B, by the way? Anybody knows what is model B?
No.
Will increase by same percentage each year. Okay, so but here A is 16,200 only. Okay, your last 10th year salary is 31,500 only, but your R is different, your common ratio is different. So what's your A? 16,200. What's your final year? 10th year, 31,500. You have to find the what? R value. Try doing it. Let me comment. I give you the hint. Okay, let me pause the video. Try doing it. B part right now. Okay, they said it is increasing by a percentage. What was your first? What was your A, by the way? What did I say A to be? 16,200. What was your R? We don't know. Question mark. Okay, what's your final 10th year with this thing? How much is it? 31,500. So can I write A R raised to, which I don't know, n minus 1, 10 minus 1 is equal to 31,500. What is the value of R you guys got? 1.077. You got 1.077, right? Okay, they want the salary in the second year. The second year is going to be AR raised to 2 minus 1, so and so. So what is 16,200 into R, which is 1.077 raised to, okay, khalas. How much you guys are getting? 7.4. They said nearest 10. So 4.7, I think. Then let's see. I'm asking what they said. 1.7447. It should be less than 1.17450, greater or equal to 1.7440. So it is within the range. Fine. Let's do the C part now. Calculate according to the two models the difference between total amount, total money sum of the Kim predicted to earn from the year 1 to year 10, inclusive money first year. So first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total koto bochor is second? 10 years. Okay. Then inclusive, because you know what other students do? They do 10 minus 1. 9 year they take. First year to 10 year. Oh, 9 year guess it. No. Inclusive of the first year itself. Okay. So 10 years. So you know the N, you know N, you know the first A, you know how many years were there, you know R, you know N, you know everything. Do the sum for arithmetic series, do the sum for geometric series, minus both of them. Okay, and that is the difference. Okay, do it. 3 marks. I'm pausing the video. So I have resumed the recording. Let us find the arithmetic sequence over here. N by 2. So 10 by 2, na 10 years, right? Open bracket 2A. A got 16,200. 2a plus n minus 1. N koto? 10 minus 1 into d koto? D common difference, na? No. Common difference we got around 1700. Common difference was 1700. Okay. How many of you guys got the SN over here? Koto bache tumra SN? Calculation was it complete? Koto? 238,500 is his income for total income for 10 years. Fine. This is for arithmetic sequence. Let's go to geometric sequence. Your R is greater than 1 here, na?
Yes.
What's your R over here?
1.077.
It's greater than 1. So can I write A open bracket 1 minus R raised to n? Oh, no. R raised to n minus 1. My bad. R raised to n minus 1 divided by R minus 1, right? What is your A? 16,200. Common ratio koto? 1.077 raised to n minus 1 divided by 1.077 minus 1. Find it. 3 23468 23468 perfect. Perfectly na? Okay, এখন এই দুইটাকে মাইনাস করো।
23468 23162
23468 আটটা থাকতে হবে এখানে ব্রো।
231365. Yeah.
234,682.
This one? Okay, you know what? I'll check this. Let me pause the recording. Or give me a calculator. Resume recording. So I was able to get this as 231365, and when minus I got 7134, and they got 7480. Now, let me check what they wrote in the answer over here. Last answer, jaake bole. C Patna. D and R are correct. 7480 difference. Note this answer is found using an unrounded value. Unrounded value of R. So note using the round value will give 7130, which is A0. You will not get the accuracy mark if we are writing this answer 7134 ta. Because using the rounded up value 1.08 kara jabe na. Round unrounded value korte hobe tomake. So 1.077 amra to 1.077. No, they gave only 1.077 over here. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know, man. Like everything is matching here, na? Check. This is matching, and this is also matching. So we are still losing that 1 mark. For what? We should get exactly the same answer what we did. I think you have to do the whole thing in calculator. Not possible. Not possible.
31500. এটা কেন?
Okay, 31500 is the last value of the whole thing.
No, it's not.
A plus L formula use korchi ora.
Oh.
31500 is the 10th year income.
Yeah.
Okay, but we can also use this also. It's not that we are not allowed to use. Answer should be same.
Answer is not.
It is same. So still दोनों के minus করলে ওরা কিভাবে বেশি পেয়ে যাচ্ছে? My question is that they use 1.077. I use 1.0077.
Did they get the same answer as 231,365?
I'm pretty sure they should also get 2, 3. I mean, calculate the same in a shower. Okay, you know what? I don't know.
But why did they do plus minus?
That is ignore it. I don't see any other way we did different. Our everything is same over here. Did you guys do 10 by 2 here and everything? Like everybody got 238,500?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody got 231,365? And if you minus, you get 7134? Then I don't know why they are getting better. Like because we did exactly the way they did. I'm sorry. Okay, let's continue now then. Okay, let me pause the video. We can do one more song. Jan, this question is Jan 2019 C12. Okay, Jan 2019 C12 question number 4. Jan 2019 C12 question number 4. Okay, see this, try to do it on your own. I'm pausing the recording. Okay, so let me try doing this. They said first value is K. Okay, active voice choda karo now. U2 and U3. Okay, let's do U2. U2 is going to be 4K minus 3 and U3 is going to be 4 into 4K minus 3 key minus 3. So 16K minus 12 minus 3. So 16K minus 15. All we got this? Fine. This is A part. Now B part. B part is both say the sum of everything is 18. The sum of everything is 18. Okay, did they give us k value? Or क्या हमको k value दिसे? Find k value. Fine. Okay, let's see. Now let's see. Our first value कतो? K. Second value कतो? 4k minus 3. Third value कतो? 16k minus 15. Is there an arithmetic series or it's a geometric series? Tell me that. Is this an arithmetic series or geometric series? Huh? What? Sorry. Is this an arithmetic series or a geometric series? You guys are supposed to tell me this. Huh? Do one thing. Do this minus this. 4k minus. Okay, how much they're saying? Oh, sum of 3. Sorry, that. Okay, then we don't need it. Big U1, U2, U3. Now add all of them. That is unnecessary. Add all of them. Your answer will be how much? 18. Okay. Now add all of them. Find the value of k. 18 can cancel. Online, everyone understood how this is done? And why am I not finding geometric and arithmetic series here? Because already first value, second value, and third value. You can just add them manually. You don't need arithmetic and geometric series here. Online, everyone. Got this? How k value is found?
Yeah, bro.
Okay then. Ending the class for geometric sequence. Today I'm going to make the paper and I'm going to say, maybe next class it's going to be full combination of arithmetic and geometric because I'm going to send you guys 2 files. Okay. See you guys then. Tada everyone.